How you doing, guys? I'm Sean. Welcome to Rambles with my camera. Guys, today's ramble, today's video is going to be the wee results from last month's photo challenge. Beautiful morning here, Thursday morning. I hope you've had a fantastic week. This is going to go uploaded here tomorrow night, Friday night, so I hope you have a fantastic weekend ahead. So this video here is going to be talking about last month's photo challenge. The theme was blue. I want to thank you all so much who sent your photographs in. Really appreciate some cracker photographs, and they're going to follow on after I'm finishing talking here, so I'll try to keep this as quick as possible. Also, I just want to thank you so much for your lovely comments on my last video there when I took you around Belfast. I love all these positive feedbacks that you're giving me. Really appreciate it. My old head's getting big. My head gets that big, I have to go outside to sit sometime, but thank you. So this month here, July, we're going to be doing a theme. So the theme is going to be shadows. So if you take any photograph, hopefully you can clearly see some shadows here. The sun's just trying to get out. It's about 9:20 in the morning here. So as I say, the sun is ready to peep out. It's going to be a fantastic day. So when you're out and about, have a look for some shadows. Or you can go onto like a Google and do Google search images on shadows and see what comes up. Have a wee look around and see if you can get some inspiration, some ideas, and follow through on it. Guys, if you haven't taken part in this before, it's only a bit of fun. It's not a competition who's got the best photographs. It's about getting inspired. It's about learning from other photographers. And I think we're all photography students, and it doesn't matter whether we're photographers for 1 week or 1 month or 20 years or 50 years or what age we are, what gender we are. We're actually all students of photography. So it's important just to learn from other people. I love it. I'm getting so much inspiration from you guys here when you're sending the photographs in. There's going to be wee links to the photographers' social media platforms if they've provided it. And follow them, give them a wee like, give them a bit of love, a bit of support. And if you're going to enter this month, photographs have to be taken in July and send them by the end of July, and then I will tweak them. High resolution, send them to info@rambleswithmycamera.com. And what can I say? Bit of crack, bit of fun. Get out there and take some photographs. And listen, thanks again for all your love and support on the channel. I really appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next video.